Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Premium not giving Robux. First, let's confirm your premium subscription is active and check your Robux balance and transaction history. Sometimes, it simply takes a little time for the Robux to appear, especially right after a renewal. Make sure you've allowed at least 24 hours for the system to update. Next, let's try some common troubleshooting steps. A simple log out and log back into your Roblox account can often resolve display issues. If you're using a web browser, clearing its cache and cookies, or even trying a completely different browser might help. Don't forget to restart your device. It's a classic fix for many digital glitches. If the problem persists, it's time to review your account and payment details. Double-check that your payment method is current and active, as expired cards can cause issues. Look through your purchase history for any failed premium transactions that might indicate a problem. Also, ensure no parental controls or spending limits are inadvertently blocking your Robux delivery. Finally, if you've tried everything and your Robux still haven't arrived, it's best to contact Roblox support directly. Before reaching out, gather all your account information and transaction details. Visit their official support page and provide a clear, concise description of your issue. They are equipped to investigate specific account discrepancies and help you resolve this promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.